Hey everyone, it's Loretta Houston here. Today we're diving into a question I've been asked a lot. How can I get a signed agency model to shoot with me for my photography portfolio? If you ever felt like this is out of reach, trust me, it's not. I've been there and I want to help you make that connection happen. So grab your notebook and let's get into it. Focus on creating clean, professional-looking images that showcase your ability to capture emotion, tell a story, and highlight your subject. Next, research agencies in your area or the region you're targeting. Visit their website and review their roster of models. Pro tip, look for new faces or development boards. These are models who are just starting their careers, and agencies are so often looking for photographers to help them build their books. When it's time to reach out, your pitch needs to be professional and respectful. Keep it simple. Introduce yourself, share a link to your portfolio, and explain why you want to work with these models. Let them know what kind of shoot you're planning and how it benefits everyone involved. Now, this is important when you're starting out. You need to offer value. Think about it this way. The agency is trusting you with their talent, so your work has to add to their model's career. And here's a key point if you're new to working with agencies. They might ask to see all the pictures from your shoot. That's right, they may want a full gallery upload so they can pick the images that work best for their model. It's a way for them to ensure the shoot aligns with their needs. But as you establish yourself and build a strong reputation, things will change. Once you're a trusted photographer, media agencies will skip the gallery review altogether. Instead, they'll rely on your expertise and simply ask you to send them the best selection. This is a great place to be because it shows they trust your creative eye. And here's something crucial to keep in mind. Agencies often have specific preferences when it comes to the final images you provide. They don't want anything over-stylized or even edited. When making your final selection, avoid over-photoshopping. Agencies prefer images where the model's skin looks natural and not overly airbrushed, and whereas the makeup is minimal or light. Fake eyelashes, only if they look natural. Wardrobe, keep it simple. Avoid crazy poses or overstyled outfits. In most cases, less is more. Agencies want their model to look approachable and versatile, not overly polished or editorial. Here's a strategy I like to use. Make sure to shoot what the agency needs first. This ensures they get exactly what they're looking for: clean, simple, and natural shots that showcase their model. For me, once I had those solid shots locked in, I use the rest of the shoot to capture what I need. This is where I get to experiment, try different creative concepts, or push the styling a bit further. It's a win-win. Agencies get what they need, and I walk away with work that showcases my creative vision. So, if you're new, don't feel discouraged by this extra step. It's part of building trust, but always strive to show your professionalism and deliver top-tier work because that's how you move up in their books. Once you get that first yes, don't stop there. Deliver your best work and communicate effectively throughout the process. This builds trust and opens doors for future opportunities. Treat everyone, models, agents, and your team with respect and professionalism, and your reputation will grow. Landing a signed agency model might seem intimidating, but with the right preparation, professionalism, and persistence is absolutely doable. Until next time, bye.